Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? My name is Muhammad Bilal and you are watching my YouTube channel content. So in this video, first we will discuss about some fundamental news of market, BTC and altcoins. There is a bullish sign for the altcoin in which if we see the market cap of the cryptocurrency is 3.84 trillion. Inflow is plus 1.12% today. Okay, the turnover is 33%. The turnover in cryptocurrency is 33%. For the altcoin, the dominance of the Bitcoin is 59.52%, which means that that's the trigger of the altcoin. So that's some news regarding our fundamentals. Now we are going from the some technicals analysis of the trend chart and CCI and RCI data. Okay, friend. First, we will discuss regarding 50-minute charts of 50-minute charts of BTC. First, we will okay. We will clearly show you the triangle A, B, C, and D. The triangle A, B, C, and D. A consolidation. This is the point of the consolidation. The BTC clearly break out this consolidation and move uptrend. That's a bullish sign for the Bitcoin. The Bitcoins are going from the upside. There's no doubt it will be go from the 1,15,600 first zone. Second zone is 1,16,600. Okay. If we will see the CCI data, the CCI data shows that is 102, which means it's a bullish sign over both. Okay, so if we will see the storage RSI data, the storage RSI data is 88.98. This is also a bullish indicator, which means that nowhere to BTC come in the downside. Its first target is 1,15,600 and the second target is 1,06,1400 if the BTC move on that side. Okay, if we will go the BTC 4-hour chart, in this 4-hour chart we will clearly see that what we will see in which we clearly see that it's a burst. It's a major reversal area, volume burst. This is a volume burst area and BTC look like that. BTC move upward from that point, so it will go from this side. That's this one, and this one, and this one. 1,22,000. That's the all-time high of BTC. You know that the next previous move up. This is the major resistance. This is our major resistance. This is our major reversal area, and this is our major resistance. So if we will see the CCI data on 4-hour pattern chart, it's 65.34. That's also a bullish trajectory, which means that in 30-minute frame and the 4-hour, the BTC also shows that the bullish. Okay, if we will see the storage RSI, it's 60.54. This is also a bullish indicator, which means that the markets are going from the upside. There is nowhere to go the downside. So over key level for our trading. For our trading though, our key level is 1,14,200. Spot 1,14,200. This is our spot. First spot. This one is a first spot. Okay, so our resistance is 1,15,600. This one is 1,15,600. This is our resistance. Our major support is 1 lakh one sorry, our major resistance is 1,20,000. This is our major resistance. So the BTC will go from that side to that side. Okay, so if we will go from the altcoin, the most effective Ethereum, we will check what happened regarding Ethereum storage and CCI data. If we will go from the 4-hour pattern chart of the Ethereum, there is my some analysis. The Ethereum next move is that this type. This in next 24 hour Ethereum will move from that indicator. That's my opinion. We should be follow the market, not over my opinion. So it is clearly show that it is go from the upside. It is clearly show that from above of 0.5 reversal. This is our reversal area. This is our 0.5. 3,483. This is our reversal areas, and it is clearly show that. So if we will go the CCI data, the CCI data is 103.84, strongly bullish. Not a bullish, it's a strongly bullish sign. So if you will go the storage RSI data is 70.58 to 80.88. Still move long, not a short, it's long. It's go up. All season is coming, so we make sure that my favorite coin is Solana. The Solana has so much hype, so okay, you should be go the Solana and the injection. Both are the best coin. Solana and injection, I will suggest you should be buy the Solana and the injection. Both are the good coins for the investment in this art season. So okay, we will going from the 15-minute chart. In the 15-minute chart, the liquidity strip below demand zone. Okay, in clean demand zone, resistance price bounce aggressively. You should see that aggressively. It's go aggressively upward. Okay, so if we will go the indicator CCI data, the CCI data is 111.29. This is the strongly bullish sign. This is the bullish, not a bullish, it's strongly bullish. If we go the storage RSI, the storage RSI is 19.17. It's execute the short term. It's execute the short term bullish. Okay. What is the over consolidation around? Over consolidation around 3,680 to 3,690. This is our consolidation area. If the Ethereum break this point and go upward, there's the 4,100 is the next target point. Okay, so what is our strategy for the short term or long term? It's clearly show that the market going the upside. So that's our today analysis. I think it's maybe helpful for you. If you like my video, you should be subscribed. Please subscribe and like my video and my channel. Thank you very much.